Mark Jude.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Ang ganda ni Iloilo. Grabe pang international beauty.
Next up, Iloilo City.
Grabe, ang ganda talaga ni Kuan, Rabia Mateo. Grabe, uy, ang ganda ng swimsuit! Ang ganda ng baywang niya, nakikita talagang nagmo-move. Pang Miss Universe Philippines yung... Pang Miss Universe na talaga yung walk niya. Oh. Galing. Ganda naman. Super ganda talaga nitong si Iloilo. Grabe yung ganda ni Iloilo.
Diana Torres.
She grew up in a poor and broken family. Through her mom, she learned the values of
Maganda din
forgiveness
yung
and
pasarela niya.
She loves their local phrase, basta Ilongga, guapa. Because she truly is beautiful, inside and out.
Grabe yung beauty niya, lumalaban sa mga Latina. Oh. Ang makapasok to sa PBB, siguradong kasali to sa Big Four.
Oh, hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Yeah. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.